Shein haul na naman tayo mga momses. Let's go! But before that, make sure that you have subscribed on my channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my new uploads every week. Oh, may bagong paandar si Momzy. Hindi siya nagpapakita ngayon sa kanyang video kasi hindi ako naka-makeup and everything. But ayan. Okay, let's open it up. Now, you know the reason again why I bought or ordered in Shein is that I need a new sofa or pillow sofa cover. And yeah, and alam niyo naman si Momsies, marami na namang napasabay na purchase on this haul. So let's see kung ano-ano ang mga ito. Let's start off with this one. Or mamaya na yan. Okay. Ito yung malaking bag. Okay. And one reason also na namili ako sa Shein is that I have this new coffee maker na ano ba tawag doon? Basta I'm trying to go back to drinking coffee again and wala lang. O, diba? So this is the sofa cover that I've been telling. Oh my gosh, sana sakto yung kanyang fit because malaki yung sofa cover namin. So this is like 60 by 60. I hope tama naman siya. I hope kasya siya. Ayan. I got this color because yung color ng sofa cover namin most of the time printed. So ito para safe yung kanyang match, 'di ba? So I got like 7 of these kasi we have 7 pillows. Alright. So eto, these are all 7. Okay, let's move on to another item. Ano na naman to? So see, every time o-open ako ng pinamili ko sa Shein, hindi ko alam kung ano yon. Bakit ito red? I think this is like a makeup bag or something. Oo nga. And then, what I saw kasi sa photo nito was, pwede siyang tumayo. Ayan. Pwede siyang itayo. Pwede siyang tumayo. It can stand when you are using it. So, parang ganyan na siya. And then, marami kang may ilalagay. Parang ganyan yung kanyang peg. So, I will just insert a photo how this one will look like. Or maybe if I'm using this, especially pag nagta-travel. Okay? And then, this one, where did I? Oh, I think this is a pillowcase na disposable siya pag nagta-travel. Oo. I think yung mga pinamili ko on this haul, yung magagamit natin pag nagta-travel. So parang nako-foresee ko na ano yung mga kailangan natin when we travel. Okay, ano na naman to? I hope this is not a wig because I'm a fan of buying wigs. Oh, okay. Now I know. This is like a seat cover kasi gusto ko lang talaga na may cover siya. I bought 2 because one for my like table chair and the other one is yung parang stool na chair ko na I use when I stream. So I got black para safe na tayo dyan kasi black naman yung color niya. And bakit dalawa? OMG, don't tell me I bought 2 set of these. Nakakaloka ako. Bakit ganun? I'm not sure if this is like buy one, take one, but oh my gosh, I have 4 of these. Pero I think it's okay para at least may extra ako if hindi siyang labhan, right? Okay, let's move on. Okay, so this is like a rag or like a table, tawag nito, parang a table mattress tuloy. Parang table mat. Ganon, grabe naman yung mattress. Table mat, kung saan ko ilalagay yung aking coffee. Coffee. Oh, di ba? Ang social. Coffee bar. Oh, di ba? So love it. So that means I can continue setting it up already. Travel pump bottle. I saw this one on one of the posts. Kasi when we travel, iba-iba kami ng gamit ng kiddos ko. Iba-iba na kami ng shampoo, ng sabon, etc. So, can you imagine? There's like 4 of us. and then 4 times different products yung I need to prepare, right? So with this, wait lang, paano ba to siya i-open? Ganyan. With this, you can put the items here individually. And then ang gusto ko kasi, I think hindi na to magli-leak when you travel. Isa pa yung iniiwasan ko. Ayan. Then ganyan lang siya. Then how to use this? Parang ipapump ko lang siyang ganon. Diba? Nakaganon na siya. Kaganyan na. And then, parang iti-twist mo lang ata kung which one you are going to use. Or no need na. Okay? Ganyan yung itsura niya. So, when you're going to, yan. Tapos, pump mo lang. O, di ba? Ang galing. I love this. I love this, buy. It's called the 4-in-1 Travel Pump Bottle. Okay. Makalat na dito sa harapan ko. Alright. Moving on. Ito yung parang organizer ng coffee. We will open that later. Labas lang muna natin. Ito yung nakabigat for sure. Ito, another organizer pa din to ng coffee. So, mamaya, we'll open that one. Unahin muna natin itong andito para ma-clear up na natin. This one is a curling tool for the hair. I already have this, which is yung kulay parang pink or purple. Yeah. And then kulang siya. It's only 10 pieces. Hindi enough sa hair ko. So, I got another set. But wala na kasi silang purple. So, black na lang. And this is a foot sock. Ayan. Ano pa? Uy, bakit may May, oh, okay. I think this is a sticker for this one. Ayan. Para meron siyang label, di ba? Nice. Okay. And ito naman itong mga maliliit na items na hindi ko alam kung para saan. Yeah. Oh, okay. This one is for the car. Especially when you park in a hot area. Tapos, meron naman ako yung nilalagay sa gilid. But sometimes, tawag nito, wala siyang holder, proper holder. So, I need to open pa yung window ng sasakyan, lower it down, tapos iniipit ko doon. So, eto na yung gagamitin natin para hindi na natin siya ibinababa, right? May damit ba akong nabili ngayon? Parang wala. My daughter has been waiting for this Cat's Eye na sticker. She loves Cat's Eye. So, ayan, that's for her. And this is a belt, an accessory belt for example, you're wearing like a dress or something. Ayan. Uy, may nabili naman pala akong damit, in fairness. Sige, baba natin yan para ma-clear yung ating space. What is this? I love white. I really love white kasi malinis siyang tignan. So I got, sleeveless. Oh my gosh. Square, pala siya? Square neck. I thought it's round. But it's okay. And silk yung kanyang material, ha? And this one, another sleeveless na, okay, so cute. Square din siya. So, I only got 2 set of clothes. Now, let's open itong nakabox. Ayan. Konting story time, mga momsies. The last time I drank coffee I was still in college. And, grabe yung palpitation ko kasi before. Every time nag-represent or may defense kami sa class. So, I stopped it. And ngayon ko lang naisipan talaga na parang gusto kong bumalik into drinking coffee again. Kasi may mga benefits naman na siya, di ba? When you drink a coffee. Kaya bumili kami ng coffee maker. It's an espresso one. And capsule yung kanyang, tawag nito. It's a capsule, yung coffee. So, ito yung binili ko na organizer niya. Di ba ang social? Char. So, andyan lahat yung mga capsule. And then, you'll just have to pull it down here to get kung ano yung capsule na iinumin mo. And, yan. It's rotatable. Alright. Ito naman, this is an organizer still. Kasi may mga maliliit tayong mga, tawag nito, parang tea, tsaka may maliliit na yung mga sachet in short. So, bumili din ako ng organizer nun para mas shala yung ating coffee area sa kitchen. O, di ba? May sinabi ko siyang coffee bar. O, di ba? Muntik pa maubusan ang stock na to mga momsies. Para saan kaya to? I think this is the handle. May handle siya dyan. Oh, di ba? I'm so excited to set up my coffee area, and for sure I'm gonna show it to you. So make sure that you have followed me on my social media platforms para makita yo yung ating mga updates. So ayan, these are all the products that I got from the Shein haul, mga momsies. Actually, konti lang siya, no? But again, ito lang din naman yung mga kailangan ko. So, I hope you found something on my haul na baka nag-reminds din sa inyo na, uy, I might need this one also. 'Di ba? So, yeah, thank you so much for reaching this far on my vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And follow me if you haven't yet. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye! Uy, may nakikinig pala sa akin while I'm doing the haul. Ang dugyot na niya. This is my cat, an adopted cat actually. I named him Gray. And kaliligo lang niya last week, but look at him right now. But I think he's having a good time sleeping here while I'm doing the haul.